So in the last month, I've grown by over 2,000 subscribers, and I've had a couple people reach out to me and ask me, what did I do differently in the last month that really took my channel kind of to that next level? And in this video, I'm gonna tell you what it is. What's good, creative fam? Brandon Washington here. And first of all, if you're new to the channel, definitely consider hitting that subscribe button. On this channel, I talk about filmmaking gear, tips, tutorials, all that great stuff. So if you're new, definitely consider hitting that subscribe button. But as I mentioned before, in today's video, we're going to be looking at 3 quick little tips that I have implemented into my YouTube strategy that has really allowed me to see some massive growth. Now, in the last month, as I said before, I've grown by over 2,000 subscribers, which is absolutely insane. And first of all, I want to thank all you new subscribers for checking out this video and all the videos I've done in the past. Personally, I think that anyone can start a YouTube channel. It doesn't matter what you care about, but if you want to be successful at YouTube, you really need to study the game and know what works. So here are 3 things that I have studied and I've learned, implemented, and they have also shown to truly work as far as growing your subscriber count. So let's not waste any time. Let's jump into the first one, which is one that I know is told a ton of times, but that is post consistently. Now, don't click off this video. I want you to actually hear my thoughts around posting consistently and why it is important, not necessarily just doing it. When you post consistently, you have to remember that every video you put out can target somebody new. YouTube, Google, whatever, Alphabet, whatever the name of the company is, they have built their entire empire based on having people's information. And so every time you release a new video that has a different title about a slightly different topic but within the same genre, they can then take that information and then target someone. And so the more consistently you are posting, it gives you a greater opportunity to find a new viewer. Personally, I find that every time I post a new video, I actually grow by a handful of new subscribers. And so this has taught me that the more I post, the more subscribers I ultimately grow by. The other good thing about posting consistently is your existing subscribers see that you are someone who posts a lot, and they start to basically assume that you are a YouTuber, even if you're not even doing it full time. For example, I run a full-time production business and I do YouTube at the same time, but because I'm posting consistently, I get tons of comments of people asking me, how did I make the switch over to doing YouTube full time, which at this point just isn't even the case. So definitely consider posting as consistently as you can. If that's once a week, if that's twice a week, if that is 3 times a week or more, do whatever you can do, but make sure you keep it on a consistent basis. All right, the next one is one that has definitely helped my channel to blow up, and that is post searched content. Posting videos that people are looking for is by far the best thing you can do when it comes to posting on YouTube if you want to grow. Now, if you're just trying to post like vlogs about your life so you can share with your friends and family, great, do that. But if you want a channel that is actually going to grow and grow quickly, post about things that people are already looking for, not necessarily what you may think is interesting. So for example, I posted a video about the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema camera not too long ago, and that video did very well. However, I knew that there were a lot of people who were maybe on the fence about the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema camera, and I basically made a video on why not to pre-order that camera. Well, that video actually did way better than my original video, and that is because those are the type of videos that some people are looking for. I also did another video on the Sony a7 III, which is a very popular camera right now in the industry, and that video also did really well, even though I'm a primary Canon shooter. Sometimes you have to create content that people are looking for, because that's what's going to allow people to ultimately find you. So if you're trying to grow, definitely consider putting out videos that people are already searching for, so that way you can show up in their search results. All right, the third and final one is one that in my opinion is a no-brainer, but I see a lot of creators not doing it, and that is you have to ask for the sub. If you want people to subscribe to your channel, definitely ask. You guys noticed at the very beginning of this video, I actually asked if you were new to the channel, consider hitting that subscribe button. And that's me asking for the sub. And that's something I think that every creator should be doing. Each of us who sit down to take the time to make one of these videos and put it out there basically for free consumption, we are putting in time and energy and effort to make these videos. And if people enjoy our content, if people like our videos, then, you know, asking them to subscribe just based on the content of them enjoying what they just watched, in my opinion, isn't asking too much. Ultimately, we're not asking them for money. We're not asking them to go out and do anything crazy. It's just pressing one little button. And so asking people to subscribe to the channel, in my opinion, is something that every creator should be doing. So this is how I'm going to wrap up my YouTube mini series. If you guys haven't known, this week I've been posting a video every single day, giving you guys an insight on the gear that I use to make these YouTube videos, also the things that go into it behind the scenes, whether that's the cameras, the lights, the desk, and of course the tips that I've been using to grow on YouTube. And I hope you guys enjoyed this series. I loved a lot of you guys' comments telling me how much this series has helped you out, and ultimately that is the only reason why I did this series. So if you haven't already, definitely check out those videos that I released on how I create my YouTube videos. Also, if you are new to the channel and you haven't already, definitely consider hitting that subscribe button. And if you guys have any extra questions, leave those comments down below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.